All right, so here's where we have the Kinetic with a multi-lumen tube. I don't know what the model number is, what the part number is for the tubing, but it looks like this. So this is what the screen sees right here. Now, the way the system works, it works in a bunch of different modes. One is that I can click on a given item and it will measure the circles. It will then build the circles into the system. I can then take those same circles. I can do distance between them. I can do center to center distance. I can change that to the nearest distance or the farthest distance on the image itself. So using the system is very easy. It's just basically a click, or you can also have a drag feature, which is, it's hard to do this in videotape, but I can measure the ID of that circle just by telling it measure the circle, go over here, and done. Okay, so now when we go to measure a part like this, the machine also has the capability of remembering. So as we go over here, I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to pull up a program called Putnam that I just did a second ago for this particular part. Now, what all the operator would have to do to measure this whole part, and in this particular case, I know it takes you many minutes to do this type of part. What this machine is going to do automatically, after I tell it where the part is going to measure all the features, including the concentricity. It'll do the distance from center to all the holes. You'll be able to do the inside diameter, the outside diameter, and the concentricity. So the way that's done is, if you just watch the screen here, I've got the little icon right here. I click on this and say done. And I click on this one and say done. Now what I want you to do is watch how fast it measures this part. There you go, part's done. You want to run another part? You put the part up there, you run the part. Is it in the same location relatively? Yes. Run the part, get the next one, and so forth. And you can do this over and over with as many parts as you want. For each part, there's also, let me exit this, there is a tolerance sheet. So you can go in here and you can put in the tolerance for the diameters, for all the sorted things, and it will pass or fail based on this. So you get your actual nominal deviation, tendency, and result, and your tolerance band. When the features fail, they show up like this. And then also the features themselves, there'll be a big red box here if we actually did that while the part was running, kind of thing. Well, I can actually do it. So let's see. So let me run this again. Let's run this again. Done. And this one. Done. And rerun. So you can see, as far as the part is concerned, it runs pretty fast. So it can do it in seconds rather than in minutes and 20 minutes or however long it takes your operators to actually do this. So it's a really easy machine to use, user-friendly but very accurate, and will do the reporting for you as well. So you can pretty much go paperless.